This tutorial will show you how to make an easy little butterfly hair clip using some leftover lightweight fabric scraps. It's a quick little tutorial that you can easily accomplish in 10 minutes. You can download the free pattern if you follow the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step instructions. So to start with, you want to make sure you cut out 2 of both the top and the bottom butterfly pieces, and you want to sew these pieces together. Make sure to leave a little gap so that you can turn them to the right side. Turn the fabric to the right side and then press it flat. Now you want to arrange the top and bottom of your butterfly pieces and then stitch down the center. Make sure to use a long basting stitch that will connect the center of the bottom to the center of the top of the fabric butterfly. After you sew all the way through both pieces of the butterfly, you want to take the remaining thread and wrap it around the center. I recommend wrapping it around 10 to 15 times and then tying off the thread. Now all you need to do is glue the butterfly to some kind of hair clip, or you can use it to decorate any other type of accessory, such as a headband or even a cute little purse. That is your finished butterfly, and you can make as many of these as you want.